If you tickle the earth with a hoe, she laughs with a harvest. Douglas Jerrold. Welcome to the farm where our island laughs with us and brings us delicious fruit. It's not any mere fruit though, it's fruit representing the different life areas. In the beginning you start with one cherry tree, which stands for the caves by the way, and you can harvest every day. Your harvest results can vary from day to day. It's nature after all. What stays the same is that your harvest is collected in the basket below, and you also see how much of each fruit you have by the number beneath the plants. But wait a second, that basket only has space for 7 fruits, so what do I do when it's full? Awesome question. You use the fruit inside to make yourself a yummy smoothie with the juicer. Let me show you how it's done. For each slot down here, you can choose a type and an amount of fruit to put into the juicer. Right now I only have cherries, so I'll make myself a cherry smoothie. Making a smoothie for the first time is just like when using a new recipe. Play around a bit to see which fruit combinations and how much of which fruit gets you results you like. And what would such a result look like, for example? Well, let's see. A smoothie that turns the fruit into a reward you can use to do things in Legend. In this case, an apple symbol that gets added to your cave's progress bar. Later on, you'll also be able to get seeds for the other trees and plants so that you can grow yourself a real farm and have a harvest full of fruits of all the colors of the rainbow. There'll also be bigger crates and lots of recipes to unlock, but that's still music of the future. For right now, I can imagine that you're already eager to harvest for the first time yourself, and I am not one to get between a legend and their fruit, so happy harvesting to you!